Good morning, students. Here in this class we will discuss BPT theorem. BPT theorem stands for Basic Proportionality Theorem with applications, right? So what we have given, a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle. We have one triangle ABC. A line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle divides the other two sides proportionally. Means this line DE is drawn parallel to the side of BC, and this line DE divides these two sides in proportion, like AD upon DB equals to AE upon EC. This we have to prove. So a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle divides the other two sides proportionally, right? So we have to prove theorem here. So we will write given. What we have given here, triangle. Write down, in triangle ABC, DE is drawn parallel. D is drawn parallel to side BC, which meets AB at D and AC at E. So to prove, what we have to prove, AD upon DB equals to AE upon EC. So what we have proof here to prove this. Now look, if we will talk about triangle ABC and triangle ADE, I have separated these two triangles ABC and ADE. Angle B equals to angle D. Look here, angle B and D are equal. Why B and D are equal? These two are parallel lines, the corresponding angles are equal. So angle B equals to angle D, corresponding angles. Which angles? Corresponding angles. Angle C equals to angle E. Same again, corresponding angle. C equals to E. Corresponding angles. Now angle A and angle A are common angle. Angle A and angle A are common angle. This angle is in this triangle also, or in this triangle also. Angle A equals to angle A common. Now corresponding angles are equal. Angle A equals to common. So triple A postulate is there. Which postulate is there? Triple A. So triangle ABC similar to triangle ADE. If triangle ABC similar to triangle ADE, it means sides are in proportion. Sides are in proportion. Look, now how you will get AB from this triangle A, B, C, D and E. How you will get AB? We will get AB as AD plus DB. So instead of AB we will write AD plus DB. Here instead of AC you will write AE plus EC. So AD upon AD, DB upon AD is equals to AE upon AE, EC upon AE. right? Now look, AD cancel, 1 plus DB upon AD is equals to 1 plus EC upon A. Now 1 and 1 cancel, so DB upon AD is equals to EC upon A. So we can write it as also AD upon DB AE upon EC by taking reciprocal. So AD upon DB equals to AE upon EC, hence proved. So what you have observed from here by using this BPT, that if any line is drawn parallel to any side of the triangle, then this line divides the whole triangle and these two sides in proportion.